Setting up the 3CX Facebook integration. Do you use Facebook to deal with customers? Did you know that 3CX can make this process easier? There's no need to purchase any add-on solutions. Reply to Facebook messages directly from your 3CX web client, or respond to messages directly from your 3CX iOS or Android app. Continue watching this video to find out how to set up the 3CX Facebook integration. Section 1. Configuring the app. In the 3CX Management Console, navigate to Messaging and select Add Facebook. Firstly, set a name for the integration. Then you need to find and copy the page ID of the Facebook page. Instructions on how to do this are provided. On the Facebook for Developers portal, select to Create App, then select Manage Business Integrations and then Continue. Enter a name for the app and a contact email. In the section For App Purpose, select yourself or your own business. Now select a Business Manager account. Click Create App and the app will now be created. You can refer back to the instructions in the Management Console to make sure you follow each step accurately. In the sections Add Products to your app, find the Messenger tile and select Setup. In the Access Tokens, click Add or Remove Pages. Choose the Facebook page you would like to connect with 3CX. Now that 3CX is linked with Facebook, you can copy and paste the Facebook page ID into the 3CX Management Console. Now click Generate Tokens to generate an access token. Copy and paste the token into the 3CX Management Console. Copy the callback URL in the 3CX Management Console. Then in the webhook section, press Add Callback URL. Paste the callback URL, then navigate back to the 3CX Management Console to set a passphrase as your verified token. Select OK in the 3CX Management Console to save the passphrase. Now paste the passphrase in the Verify token box and select Verify and Save. Next, click on Add Subscriptions and select Messages, Message Postbacks and Message Reads, then press Save. On the 3CX Management Console, navigate to the Route tab. This is where you can configure where Facebook messages are sent. Choose an extension or queue number to route Facebook messages. You can also set automatic offline replies. Select OK at the top of the page to save changes. Section 2. Submitting the app. You can find instructions for this section within the Submit App tab. Please use the external 3CX link provided to access details needed. This section of the integration relates to Step 5 to Step 7. On the Facebook Developer Portal, go to Settings, then Basic. Make sure a privacy policy URL is set. Make sure you add a 3CX app icon. A sample icon is provided. Now select Messaging in the category drop-down. For this integration to work, your business must be verified on Facebook. If your business is not verified, please go to the verification section. Please enter your company's URL in the ad platform at the bottom of the page. Select Save Changes. Now go to App Review, Requests, request permissions or features. Search for Pages, Messaging and click Request Advanced Access. Do the same for Business Asset User Profile Access. Then select Continue the request. Click on Provide verification details. Copy the submission details provided by 3CX. Then paste the submission details and click Save. Next, select How will your app use the Advanced Access Pages messaging permission? Then use the submission details again in both text fields. Select the Facebook page that you're integrating 3CX with. Save the sample screencast provided in the link with 3CX instructions. And then upload it to show your app in action. Select the checkbox and then select Save. Finally, repeat the steps for how will your app use the Advanced Access Business Asset User Profile Access feature. Agree to the terms and then select Save. Before submitting for review, check over your app settings. If you are happy all the details are correct, please select Submit for review. It will take approximately 5 days for approval. After approval, you will have the ability to answer new Facebook leads faster, transfer chats to qualified team members, give clients confidence to get in touch, and strengthen your brand with improved response times. This is all thanks to the new 3CX Facebook integration.